Just landed abroad and wondering, how do I open a bank account here? You're not alone. Every year, thousands of international students struggle with this first major step after arrival. But today, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to open your bank account abroad, without stress or confusion. First, let's understand why having a local bank account is so important. You'll need it to receive your part-time job salary, pay tuition fees, manage rent, and avoid high currency conversion fees. Without it, you'll end up spending hundreds in hidden charges every month. Most countries offer student bank accounts, which come with benefits like no monthly fees, free international debit card, online banking access, discounts on public transport, and shopping. If you can't qualify for a student account yet, go for a regular savings account and later switch once your student verification is done. You'll need a few key documents before visiting the bank. These usually include passport, student visa, or residence permit enrollment letter from your college proof of address, like tenancy agreement or hostel letter. Initial deposit, if required. Pro tip: keep both printed and digital copies handy. Some banks let you walk in directly, but most prefer appointments, especially in countries like the UK, Canada, and Australia. Visit the official bank website or call their helpline to fix a time slot. This helps avoid long queues and ensures you meet a representative who handles student accounts. On your appointment day, carry all your documents and ID. You'll be asked a few simple questions, nothing to worry about. Once verified, you'll receive your account number and debit card. Most banks mail your card within a few days, or you can collect it directly. Once your account is active, immediately set up your mobile banking app. This helps you track spending, transfer money instantly, and receive salary directly. Enable SMS or email alerts for every transaction. It's safer and smarter. Be aware of hidden charges, like overdraft fees, minimum balance penalties, or foreign transaction costs. Read the fine print before signing anything. Always transfer money using trusted services, never through random agents. Your bank account isn't just for money. It's part of your financial identity abroad. Keeping your balance stable and avoiding overdrafts builds trust. Later, it helps you apply for credit cards, phone contracts, and even permanent residency. So, let's recap. Choose your bank smartly, prepare all your documents, and always read the details. Within a week, you'll be all set with your first international account, your gateway to financial freedom abroad. Your first bank account abroad isn't just paperwork, it's the start of your independence. Stay organized, stay alert, and stay confident. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends heading abroad.